Hi everyone, let me show you how you can very easily and quickly set up lookup filters in your forms, in your BreezyBit forms. I have a test form here in my Salesforce org. If you go to the form itself, it looks like this. And on the form, I have a lookup field, account ID. I'm using contact and account objects on this form. And I want to, show people some of the accounts, maybe select an account as well. And its account ID is the name. Of course, I can change this, if I want to make this uh, company name, for example, that makes a little bit more sense for the users. I can make it company name. And I can ask them to select the company name. So here, when you click on it, it'll show you the 10 accounts first of all. But if you search for something else that is not here, it'll show you those accounts as well. So, but in some cases, you might not want to expose all of the accounts in your system on this form, on this specific form. And for that reason, if you want to set lookup filters, you can do that really easily. So you just need to click on the company name. The account ID, right, is the API name, as you see, but it's company name right now, the label, we customized it. I just click on it. And on the right side, you will see there is a lookup filter settings. And there is basic and advanced lookup filter settings. Basic filters, it'll actually solve your issues in 90-95% of the cases. You won't need the advanced ones, I believe. But in case, if you want to set this filter, lookup filter, based on very complicated, complex business logics and needs, using just not these two objects that you have in the form, but any other objects that you have in your Salesforce org. If you want to do that, we can help you do that actually, creating a class. If you don't have a developer, for example, who can do that, we can help you set this up too, again, based on your business needs. But I'm going to show you really easily how you can set a basic lookup filter here too. So I just need to select the basic lookup filter. And here I just need to say, okay, what do I need to set this up? For example, I can say just, show them the accounts where it starts with, the name starts with S, for example. Just as an example, let me show that to you. If you go to the form itself right now, just refresh it. And as you see, you don't need to do any field mappings. You don't need to publish anything. Everything is happening natively in your org. You just save it and form is ready, updated. And when I click on this, it'll show me the ones only start with S in this case. Or, if I want to show, again, based on your needs, whatever it is, but you can just say only show, when the account type is something, I don't know what the account types for this one, but, based on the account type, you can just set it up. Or you can say, the billing city, it is just this city maybe, or maybe just this country, if they start for those. Based on, again, your needs, whatever really you need, you can change it. So based on industries, based on, again, dates, based on any fields, basically you have in the account object, you can set lookup filters. So on the form itself, really quickly and easily. Again, the only thing you need to do is you just click on the field that you want to set the lookup filter, and then just go to the basic lookup filter and then set your logic here. That's that easy. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.